Wanted to put this quick video together about this window bird feeder we got. It's pretty cool. It just adheres to your window, and yeah, we have it right in our kitchen, and we could look at it while we're eating breakfast, lunch. They have to come at breakfast time. It took about a week for them to really start showing up consistently. A lot of people don't know this, but you can fold out your windows like this to clean them. Just there's 2 tabs at the top of the windows. You pull them in towards themselves, and you pull it out. Yeah, so what I did is I did that so I can mount this. You don't need to do this, but to get it straight, I think it helps. I use a dry erase marker and just some paper to space it properly. And then, yeah, the included adhesives, you just put them down, and then you stick both ends, and then you can just slide the whole bird feeder right onto the window, and you're good to go. The feed tray does pop out, so you might want to do that first. Feed it up with your bird feed. I got this off Amazon. Also, yeah, all this was off Amazon. $19 for the bird feeder, and then this bird feed, I forget, I think it was like $7 or something. I'll put links in the description below. Seems to work pretty well. Yeah, like I said, the first day I don't think we got any birds, but after like day 2 and 3, I think we got like 1 bird, and then after like about a week, they started showing up pretty consistently. So yeah, just put your windows back together. Yeah, I forgot. It probably does make sense to just kind of do it, put it together, snap it all together, because it does snap fit, and then you can just put it on like that. And I guess that's how you'd refill as well. Haven't really done that yet. And then on the top, at least the model I had a little water tray, so I just fill it up with water before bringing that top window up to its final resting place, and then snapping that bottom window into place, and then locking it all together. And yeah, that's about it for setup. Really simple out of the box. I think it took literally less than 10 minutes to set the whole thing up, and it looks great. Yes, I think this was day 3. So excited to come down in the morning to see this bird just chirping away. And yeah, I set up actually my blink camera right in the bird feeder, because I was like, oh, I keep missing these birds. So I want to know when they come and just get an up-close picture of them. And yeah, there's the kids enjoying it as we're eating breakfast. So Kaylee, what do you think about the bird feeder? It's cool, right? You get to see birds up close. So I think the squirrel is trying to investigate the bird feeder, but there's no way it can get it. So the squirrel, seems like the squirrel found some other food to eat right there, while this guy eats up here. So definitely a fun little addition to your house. I'm glad I bought it. The kids really like it. I really like it. It's something we've been enjoying a lot, even just in the week and a half we've had it. So I'd recommend it. Good luck, guys. Godspeed.